Hello everyone, how are you all of you? I hope you are well and keep working hard to get into data science domain or AI domain, right? And I hope you you have watched previous two videos to continue this series of job ready data science course. So today's topic is about intro to AI and data science, right? So, in this whole video, we will be understanding that what is artificial intelligence, okay, or data science. So, let's say when you heard about hey AI, so what comes in your mind when you heard about the name AI or data science? So, we will be talking about this concept, okay, and I'll I'll hope that at the end of this video you will have a clear understanding of artificial intelligence or data science, right? So let's start by asking what is artificial intelligence. Okay. So let me tell you that my way of explaining some any concept is totally different. Okay. So what I do is that whatever concept I am learning or I am trying to explain, okay, I just focus on the word of that concept. Right now, we are learning artificial intelligence, right? So if you focus on its name, okay, artificial intelligence, okay, and if you understand that word, every word, why it is there, and I'm pretty sure that you have understood 30 to 40% of your concept. To be honest, that is that's I'm for sure, right? Okay, so so let's start with asking what is artificial. Okay, first word is artificial intelligence. So if you just pause the video and think about that, what is artificial means? Okay, so artificial means something which is made by human. Okay, what is the meaning of artificial? Something which is made by human. So what is made by human? You might ask. Think about that. Use your brain. Use your brain to visualize or come up with some name. So I can say you that there are a lot of things. Okay, whatever your eye is seeing, most of them are built by human. Okay, for example, your house. Okay, you are watching me. Okay, I'm not made by human, but of course, let's say you are seeing this pen. Okay, this pen. Okay, this pen is made by human. Okay, this earphone you are seeing here. Okay, this earphone is made by human. Right, laptop, bag, fan, cooler, mobile. Okay, etc. All these are made by human, right? And what is not made by human? Okay, like me, like us. Okay, me or you or animal or sun or earth. These are made by God. Okay, not by human, right? So artificial means which is made by human. Okay, we say artificial things. Okay, clear. And I have also written it some example. Okay, that is fan, train, bus, car, earphone, mobile, watch, lot of things. Okay, and number of things are made by human. That is clear. Okay, and there is nothing even complex in this concept, right? Now, once we have understood that what is artificial, let's start to understand that what is meaning of intelligence. So if you and I want to say that in these two words, okay, artificial intelligence, the only word which is most important is intelligence. Okay, artificial is only have 20% of weightage in this name. Okay, 80% of weightage is coming from intelligence, and I'm responsible here to make this concept easier for you, right? So let's start. What is intelligence? So what do you think when you first think about intelligence? Okay, what comes in your mind? It would be like, hey, this guy was intelligent guy. My neighbor's son is intelligent guy. He cracked IIT Delhi. Yeah, IIT Delhi. He has been cracked. Yes, correct. So you get something, some idea like this. Okay, you start getting idea like this. So why you say that, hey, uh, he's a intelligent guy? Why? Because I'm pretty sure that why you are saying that he's intelligent, because you know that he is average than above. Okay, he is above than average. Sorry, sorry for that. Sorry for my bad English. But um, I'm trying to make it clear as much as possible. But sometimes I make some mistakes because I'm not fluent in English. But I'm trying. Sorry for this. Okay, so yeah, so you can say that he was the, or he is the above the average guy. Okay, you are saying intelligent, or maybe you can say that the ability, okay, the the hard work he is putting, okay, towards any exam or anything, okay, is more than other guy. Okay, and that's why he is able to capable, or he is able to, or capable to learn more things. And he when he is capable to learn more things, definitely he will understand more things. Okay, so the, and and this way, their way of learning new things, or the way of collecting knowledge has been increased. Okay, and and that's why you start saying he's an intelligent guy. Okay, so this is how you actually how this is how you actually define a intelligent guy. Okay, but there is also some meaning of intelligence. For example, as I have written here is to ability to learn, ability to learn, okay, reason, understand complex idea, adopt new situation. Okay, so these, when when these qualities are having in someone, okay, we can say that they are intelligent person. Okay, or we can say he's intelligent. Okay, so so why we are talking about his ability to learn, or ability to reason, ability to understand complex idea? Because you know that, let's say, hey, let's say someone is able to solve complex mathematical problem. Okay, so so you say that, hey, he's intelligent guy, man. He can solve aerodome. He can solve many complex mathematical equations. He can solve MIT questions, you know. So you start saying that, hey, he is an intelligent guy, right? Why? Because the ability to solve the complex idea, it 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 means that he is having a lot of power to learn new things. Okay, and there are a lot of things, I mean to say that. So that is the way, and that is how you define intelligence, right? And in terms of this is just a definition of intelligence, right? But in terms of artificial intelligence, we can say, also say that the second definition is that whoever whoever having sorry, which takes decision without someone interaction, we also say it intelligence. For example, let's say uh, uh, let's say there is a guy. Okay, and let's say his name is ABC. Okay, ABC, his name is ABC. Okay, his name is ABC. So let's say you have given some task. Okay, some task. Let's say, let's say you taught him, hey, simple tense. Okay, simple tense. No, let's forget about it. So you taught them a plus b equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You have taught them, okay, about this concept. Okay, and then you also given example like 2 plus 5, then will be like 2 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 2. Okay, you explain, and you have given the many example like this. Okay, right? Now, you at the end of explaining this concept, you ask to ABC. You ask to ABC, hey, then so you told that ABC that, hey, I have told given many example. Can you solve this problem? Like 5 plus 9 equal to what will be the value of this? And ABC is not able to. Let's say ABC is not able to solve this problem. So what will you say? What will you say? you will say that, hey, I have already given the many example related to a square, a plus b square, a plus b whole square. Okay, but you are not able to solve 5 plus 9 equal to 5 plus 9 to whole to the power 2. So what will you say? That is the reason, that is the reason we say he, this ABC is not a intelligent guy, right? Because even after because he doesn't have ability to understand or learn a concept, even though it is just very very simple. Okay, we say, hey, he is not an intelligent guy. We can say he is a dumb guy as well, right? There is nothing wrong in that. So that is the thing. Okay, so so that is the example of intelligence. And this line is saying that takes decision without someone's interaction. Okay, so here, if he wants to answer that, okay, he must have to take help of someone. Then he or might he has to cheat to answer this question. Okay, but without someone interaction he is not able to answer it. So we can also say that, so if someone has ability to take decision without someone interaction, we say he's a without someone interaction, he's an intelligent guy, right? So this is the example of intelligence. I hope you understood the meaning of intelligent. Okay, and little bit of dumb. What is meaning of dumb? And just like human, so example is that who is having the intelligence power? Human. Okay, human has intelligence, but cow doesn't have intelligence. In any animals doesn't have any intelligence. Of course, you can say that, hey, cow has limited intelligence, but he doesn't have as much intelligence as human has. Okay, you can't say that. So that is the thing, that you will be surprised to know that only on this earth, human has intelligence. Except that no one is known to have intelligence. No other than human. Okay, only human has some intelligence. Think about that. So that is the intelligence. Okay, and why we are talking about intelligence? Because when you have intelligence, then you actually you changes your structure of something, okay, into new things. Let's say, for example, yeah, 2000 years before, you used to just eat and breathe, okay, and nothing we were doing, okay. We used to do, okay, but nowadays we are, you have been doing many things. We are developing technology, we are doing many things. We are many technology, we are even making and coming up with a new technology. Okay, so why? Because we have brain. Okay, and before 2000 years ago, we didn't used to use brain or intelligence. So at that time we only eat and sleep, and we used to do nothing, right? So that is the power of intelligence, that you changes around you. Okay, you change yourself, you change others, you change whole things, whole system, even you change by using intelligence. That is the power of intelligence. I hope you understood what is the meaning of intelligence, right? So let me summarize it. What is the meaning of intelligence? Intelligence, the meaning of intelligence is that whoever the power of whoever power to learn new things, okay, new things, or complex idea, okay. So we can say that he is having intelligence. Okay, we can say that, right? So that is the how we define intelligence. I hope it is clear to you so far, right? And let's talk about one more word, which is dumb, which is the just reverse of intelligence, right? So what is the meaning of a dumb? So we can say that, hey, whoever whoever not able, who doesn't have any ability to learn or reason or understand, uh, and I had written doesn't have ability to learn, reason, understand complex idea, adopt to new situation. Okay, so we can say that he's the dumb guy. Okay, just we have taken the example of we have taken the example of a plus b square. We have taught Oh, sorry. We you take you took the example of ABC. You teach them this concept, and after even giving many example, he is not able to answer a simple question 5 plus 9 is 5. So we can say that, hey, he doesn't have uh, learning ability. Okay, he doesn't have power to learn things. Okay, and when he doesn't have power to learn things, we can say that, hey, he's a dumb guy. He is a totally dumb guy. Okay, that is the example of dumb guy. And who are having the ability to learn things and solve the problem, we can say that he is an intelligent guy. So this is how we define intelligent and dumb, right? I hope it is clear to you so far. And an example of dumb guy would be laptop. Okay, any animal, cow, mouse. Okay, and there are a number of things you can take an example. Okay, I hope you can even come up with your own example as well, right? So this is how artificial intelligence is. Okay, like, of course, we haven't discussed what is actually AI, what is the actual definition of AI, but we first broke the concept, okay, into word, right? And we try to understand the every meaning of every word, right? First we talked about artificial, then we talked about intelligence, and also we talked about dumb, so that we can correlate to artificial intelligence. Okay, and after talking so much, okay, now we can say that we are now able to understand what is the meaning of artificial intelligence. Okay, let's define it now. Just give me a second. Yeah. So so if now someone asks you that, hey, what is artificial intelligence? Okay, so how will you define it? So we can say that making machines, okay, making machines such as, or we can say that, let me first complete this sentence. Making machines such as they can take actions without human interaction. Okay, we say it artificial intelligence. Okay, or we can say that a machine has ability to learn things. Okay, a machine just care about my words. Okay, a machine means anything like a laptop, or a mobile, or watch, or even a fan, or even a car, even a cycle. These all are machine. Okay, when machine will have ability to learn things, what do you mean by things, we will discuss. Okay, so ability to learn things, okay, or ability to solve problem, we say artificial intelligence, right? Why we are saying artificial intelligence? Because artificial means which is made by human. Okay, fan, laptop, mobile, these all are made by human. And when that things will have power or intelligence, uh, then we can say that that is the that is powering artificial intelligence into that machine. We can say that, right? Now you might ask that, hey, how can have, how can fan have intelligence? How can have laptop will have intelligence? Hey, how can a car will have intelligence? How can you define even intelligence in a car? Just a minute. Okay, let's take an example. Let's talk example of car. Okay, so right now, a car, to drive a car, we need a human. Okay, we need a human which drives the car, right? And think about a scenario that nobody is in the car and car is automatic getting driven. Okay, so automatic getting driven, how will you say? Is it spirit, or is it ghost who is driving the car? Okay, who is the driving the car? Machine, car itself is driving itself. Okay, car driving itself. You say, hey, are you going crazy, or are you going mad, man? How it can be possible? Yeah, it can be possible, to be honest. And how it can be possible? That's why you are going to learn artificial intelligence. Okay, you will see that hey, after learning machine learning concept related to AI, then you will be able to even solve you will be able to solve how a car can, how can car drive itself, right? You will be able to solve. Okay, okay, so this is the one example. Fan, we have taken example of fan. How fan can be intelligent, man? And what, okay, so just take an example. So right now, let's say just a minute, just yeah. So let's say fan, right now. Okay, so we are taking example of fan. So how can fan have intelligence? Okay, think about that. Let's say you went to office, okay, at 9 a.m. and came back home at 7 p.m. after doing work at office. Okay, so as soon as you enter in the room, okay, so so of course you are going to switch on the light, or maybe if it is summer, then you are going to switch on the fan as well, right? So think about the scenario. Okay, so as soon as you enter in the room, okay, let's say right now you have to switch on the fan, okay, to run the fan. Let's say as soon as you enter, fan automatically gets on, turned on, okay, and start running. Think about this scenario. Okay, because why it will start running? Because the fan will have some intelligence to measure that hey, it is a hot, it is a hot season, and its temperature is 42 degree, and someone is entering in the room, and I should automatically start. Okay, so this is the simple definition of intelligence. Okay, when fan will have intelligence. And also in that fan, it may be that let's say today is 42 degree, okay, and let's say tomorrow it becomes 35 degree, okay. So it should also get also learn that hey, if 42 if temperature 42 degree, I should I should run, or fan should run at low speed, okay, sorry, high speed, okay. And as soon as temperature goes down, okay, let's say next day, it automatically should adjust it into low speed, right? Because when temperature is low, it should run in low speed. So this is how intelligence, how a fan will have intelligence, okay. This is how. So, and you can say hey, how can you build such system, how can give intelligence, such intelligence to a fan? We will learn in future, okay. I'm just giving you an example, okay, how a machine will have a intelligence power, right? And also this is how a fan will have intelligence, right? I hope it is clear to you so far. And also you have also you must have seen robot, okay. If you not have seen, but also you have must have heard the name of robot, okay. It is just like a human, okay. And robot is not only related to human, okay, and it could be a clone of a dog itself. It can be clone of even a elephant itself, okay. It is not limited to only a human will have a clone of as a robot, okay. Robot can have any clone of any species, or it can be a snack as well. How? And it will be, its behavior will be similar to that species. Like if you are cloning a snack, so robot snack will behave like a real snack. How? You will see in future as well. And also if you learn AI, you will be also able to even build such machines. Think about that. Okay, so this is the intelligence, okay. This is the meaning of artificial intelligence. Let me again repeat the definition of intelligence is that any machine or any new machine even, okay, any machine around you see, when that machine will have intelligence, or you can say that when that machine will have automatic power, automation, okay, in that thing, Okay, we can you start saying that, hey, that is the artificial intelligence, because they are having own intelligence, right. For example, to drive a car right now, we need a car needs a human to drive a car. Okay, in future, after 5 to 10 years, you will see that, hey, car is getting driven without someone's help, or without a human interaction. Automatically it is being driven. Okay, it will see. And how it will how it's happening, we will see in AI. We will once you learn the AI. Okay, you build a simple without self-driving car. Okay, you will able to build it. There is nothing very complex thing. Okay, of course, if you want to build a real world self-driving car, of course, it requires a lot of knowledge, a lot of team. Okay, but you will be able to solve a simple car which can which can run which can drive in your house. Okay, it's all try like a self-driving car you can build. So this is the example of artificial intelligence, right? So now the question is, why we want to build artificial intelligence? Okay, why okay, this is the best question. Okay, this is the best question for to whole video, I would say. Why we are using AI, why we are building AI, why we need AI even. The reason is that there are a couple of reasons, okay, to build AI. First thing is that we are a person who always needs, we means everyone, okay, on the earth. There are even billions of person in on this earth. Okay, every human needs new technology, new things. Okay, okay, so people can't sit and relax. Okay, hey, we have built a computer, now let's shut down the all technology. Okay, they are not going to shut down anything. They have some tool. Okay, they have some tool that they will definitely always things to create new things. Okay, they are always having creative mind. Okay, to build new things. So that is the one reason. Okay, we want to build something which is new, and this is the one goal. Okay, second thing is that AI can solve many problem as well. Okay, even where human can't solve. For example, let's say there is some place. Okay, where if human goes there, so there will be very harmful for human as well. Okay, so in that case, let's say coal mining. Okay, in coal mining there are a lot of pollution, there are a lot of there are a lot of things, harmful things, which impacts human in deeply. Okay, they realize after 20 to 30 years. But in coal mining there are a lot of things which harms human. Okay, badly, to be honest. So in that scenario, if we are able to develop such a AI. Okay, so we don't need to send human in coal mining. Okay, and we can send AI to go there and get works done, right? So here we are saving human. Think about the human has. So we don't want to lose any human in any condition. Okay, but we can play with machines. Machine doesn't have any affections or some anything. Okay, we can send machines. But human, if is getting affected, it is the against the law, or it is against the nature. Okay, we shouldn't do so. So where that is the where AI can help us a lot, to be honest, right? And third thing is that it is in day-to-day use cases, AI will help a lot, right? They will help to solve many disease. Okay, disease and many things, to be honest. uh, it is not even related to only couple of things. Okay, it can bring a lot of advantage in our whole world. Okay, to very small to very high. Okay, high problems, I mean high problems. Okay, so that is the power of artificial intelligence. That is the artificial intelligence, why we are using artificial intelligence. So in one word, if I say, oh sorry, in one sentence we can say that AI is going to solve the many problem from small to very very high complex problem. Okay, where even sometimes a computer sorry, a human can't solve. Think about that scenario, right? So that is the AI. That is why we want to build AI. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so let's recap. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. So we are trying to understand artificial intelligence. Okay, and in artificial intelligence we broke the concept into words. Okay, we broke the concept in two words. Okay, one is artificial, second is intelligence. And we understood that artificial means anything, or anything which is made by human, or simply you can say machine. Okay, any machine like laptop, fan, car, uh, many things, mobile or a mouse, anything. Okay, that is the artificial. Intelligence means that having ability to learn or solve complex problem. Okay, that we say intelligence. Okay, so when we combine these two words, okay, so we can say that a machine which are having the potential power to learn new things, solve new problem automatically without someone's help, we can say it is artificial intelligence in simple sentence, to be honest, right? I hope you got the idea. Okay. Okay, so now we will, after understanding artificial intelligence, now we are going to understand what is the meaning of data science. Okay, because there is also a term data science. But before I go to explain data science in one sentence, I will say that AI is a big umbrella. Okay, AI is a big umbrella means it is a very very big thing. Okay, and data science is a part of AI, to be honest, or we can say it is a small part of AI. AI is, to be honest, a very very big thing. Okay, data science is just a part of that big umbrella, right? And but you must have heard that most of the people only talks about data science. Okay, not talking about AI. Why? Because data science is actually impacting right now more than AI. Because AI is about to come. Okay, AI doesn't actually come yet, honestly. Actual AI will come after 5 to 10 years. Okay, when actual machine will have, like even your laptop will have intelligence, when fan will have intelligence, when small small things will have intelligence, then you will see the actual power of AI. And then you will see that, hey, data science job is somewhere left in corner. Okay, because the actual power of AI didn't come yet. That is the main reason that you still think, you still encounter with data science profile more than AI. Okay, but don't take anything lightly. Okay, AI is the big umbrella, and there is nothing even nothing close to AI, or even not even data science. But right now scenario is that data science uh, data science is big market. Okay, big thing as compared to AI. People only talk about data science, only knows about data science is okay. But I would always say that, of course, right now data science is huge. Right now AI is very small as compared to data science, right? Because everyone wants to become a data scientist, but only couple of person wants to become AI engineer. Okay, but I would, as I'm saying that AI is big umbrella and data science is small. Okay, but leave it for now. Okay, we will that is not the that is not the concept to discuss here. Okay, but yeah, so we now our task is to understand what is data science. Okay, so again you know that my way of explaining the same concept. Okay, so data science, let's break this concept into word wise. Okay, so in data science, again there are two terms. Okay, one is data and second is science. Okay, so what do you mean by data? What is the meaning of data? So if you talk about data, data is nothing. but it is a organized collection of information. Okay, what is the meaning of data? Just a minute. What is the meaning of data? Data means organized collection of information. What is the meaning of organized collection of information? Okay, let me define. So let's say if you have a bag, okay, okay, you you have a bag, okay. Of course, it is let's say it is a computer bag, okay, laptop bag, okay. And in that laptop bag, there are 20 things, okay. There are 20 objects in your bag. It may be there is a vegetable, there is also laptop, there is also charger, there is also shirt and pant, watches, and there is also some maybe you can say any different kinds of objects in your bag, okay. And it is like if someone opens your bag and he suddenly that, hey, how what types of person you are, man. I can't understand what is inside that. Should I say, hey, in your bag, all objects are related to electronics gadget, or should I say that all objects are related to vegetable, or should I say this object, all objects are related to something else? It is a mix up of everything. It is a mix of everything. So we can say that there is nothing in that, to be honest. Okay, nothing is there is no information in that. So we can say that if there is some randomness in your something, okay, there is random, we can't even uh, use our brain, okay. There is almost no use of that data. If you want, if you try to come up with some meaningful things, okay, we can't say that. But when we have organized way of something, okay, organized collection of information, let's say in your bag, if all objects are electronic devices, okay, we can say that, hey, it means that, yeah, you are going somewhere, you can say, you can find something meaningful, that, hey, in bag, all are electronic devices. Or it may be that if all are vegetables, okay, so we can say that, hey, all objects are vegetable. It means that you bought, you went to market and bought some vegetables, and you put it into bag, and then you came here. You can explain like that, okay. And but when it was not organized, predicting or saying anything, you can't say anything, to be honest. Hey, you say that, hey, are you mad guy? Yeah, all things are random things are in that way. You can say you can use such word, okay. So what I want to say that, okay, what is the conclusion is that, so data means organized collection of information. Okay, organized collection of information means that when you have organized collection of information, then you are able to tell something. Okay, you can tell something about that data or that information. But when your information is not organized, okay, telling anything is like a madness, to be honest. You can't even tell anything, what will have in that, what types of data in your bag, or what types of information it is having. You can't tell anything. And it is like a madness, to be honest. Okay, that is the important thing about data, organized collection of information. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. and and it could be okay, we will come to this point, okay. Again, just think about that. When we talk about data, it means that organized collection of information, okay. Now 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 second word is science. What is the meaning of science? So science, when you heard about science, okay, so what comes in your mind? What comes in your mind? So of course, science means to study the behavior or working of nature. Okay, so in 11th 12th class, okay, when you are in senior secondary school, you would have a subject related to physics, chemistry, mathematics. These all subjects comes under the science concept, science syllabus. Okay, and why all those comes under science syllabus? Because science means to study the behavior of nature. And nature means what? Nature means anything. Like for example, sun. Why sun is red or yellowish? Why not sun is blue? Why not sun is black? You could ask such questions. So it is, if it is red, there would be a reason why sun is red. Okay. If any object falls towards the earth, why it falls towards earth? Why not it go against the earth? Or maybe or you can say that, hey, why it falls down? Why not it goes up? There must be a reason. It would be that that reason is here gravitational force. Okay, so this is nature. Okay, this is the nature. And in the nature, let's say, let's take one example. Let's say we know that you all know, all have learned about that concept, gravitational force. Okay, so in gravitational force, so how it was discovered? Okay, how it was invented or discovered, you can say. So one day Newton was sitting near that tree, okay, apple tree, okay, and suddenly he saw that apple is falling down, okay. Then he started thinking that, hey, why it is falling down? Then then he learn about that, why it is falling. Then he researched on that concept. Then he came up with that, hey, earth has having is having a gravitational force which pulls any objects towards the earth. So how he was able to come up with this gravitation concept? Just by understanding the behavior of something, behavior of gravitation, behavior of any forces related to that. Okay, so that is the science. Okay, and it could be anything. It could be related to chemistry as well. Hey, if hydrogen and oxygen is added together, it becomes water. Wow, who said that? Who said that when you add hydrogen or oxygen, that it becomes water? Who said that? Nobody has said that. Scientists had researched on that, and they came up with that, hey, when we add hydrogen and oxygen, that it becomes water. So they studied about their behavior of hydrogen and oxygen. Then he was able to state such a statement, right? So that is the meaning of science, means finding, or you can say that everything was working. Okay, let's say whoever discovered when we add hydrogen plus oxygen, it becomes water. Before that, okay, before their discovery, okay, it hydrogen oxygen was adding without someone's knowledge. Okay, without someone's knowledge, it used to be get added. Okay, but we human, okay, that scientist, or that, you can say that scientist research on that, and then he was able to come up with that that idea that it's happening. It doesn't mean that, hey, when he discovered that, then he started that, hey, H2O, hydrogen plus oxygen is becoming water, right? So that is the nature, that is the behavior or working of this nature. So same things. So that is the science. Okay, so if you add data and science, so now we are able to now define it. What is the meaning of data science? Okay, let's define it. Just give me a second. Okay, so now we can say that data science means what? To understand the behavior of data in one sentence. So science was to study the behavior of or working of nature. But in data science, we to understand the behavior of data. And you must have heard the name of computer science. What is the meaning of computer science? To sorry, to understand the behavior of computer, how computer works and why computer works. When you when you ask such questions and when you analyze those questions, it means that you are using science. to understand the computer. All right. So this is the meaning of science. Okay, when and science when gets added with other name, it means that we are talking about that thing. Here data science means we want to understand the behavior of data. Same as computer science, we want to study the behavior of computer, the how computer works. That is the meaning of science or data science. Here data science means to understand the behavior of data. Now now the question you might ask, hey, why we want to know the behavior of data, and what is data? We haven't talked much about data. What is data? We will talk, we will understand this thing. Okay, we will take an example to understand what is data science. Okay, so so next we have written that goal of understanding the data is to find some meaningful insights from data. Means that we want to find some meaningful information. Oh man, what is the meaningful information here? From what types of meaningful insights we want to get from data? We will answer it. Okay, just right now see the definition, and we want to put that meaningful insights. As you can see as you can see we want to put that meaningful insights from data in your business to grow. Oh man, it is so long definition. Just so just repeat repeat this definition again. Okay, I'm going to repeat this definition again. So what is the meaning of data science? Data science means to understand the behavior of data, right? To understand the behavior of data, it should be clear to you. Okay, and the goal of understanding the data is to find the some meaningful insights from data. Okay, and put that meaningful insights from that data in your business to grow. Oh man, so much things in this. We can't understand what is the meaningful insights, all those things. Okay, wait wait, I'm going to give an example. Okay, and everything will be clear out. Okay, why, what is the meaning of these four lines? We will understand. Just give me couple of minutes, we will understand it. Okay, so let me remove this thing. Okay, it was just my preparation. So let me remove first it. Yeah. Okay, so to understand this definition, okay, what is the meaningful insights and putting meaningful insights in your business to grow. Okay, to understand this thing, I'm going to take an example. Okay, an example is that let's say you have you have a general store shop. Okay, general store. Okay, you have a general store where you sell domestic things. Okay, like for example you sell rice and pulse and all other day-to-day use cases things. Okay, I hope you know about what is general store. Okay, general store shop. Okay, so what you do is that let's say it is your new shop. Okay, you have opened recently. Okay, and you open your shop at 10 a.m. Just a minute, let me change my color. Okay, so you start your shop at 10 a.m. Okay, and close this shop at 9 p.m. in the night, right? Okay, and and let's say it is your day one. Okay, it is your day one. You open the shop, and you and of course you open the shop and you want to have some margin. Okay, or some earning from your this business. Okay, so what did you decided that you are collecting the margin or the benefits that you get at every one in 1 hour. Okay, let's say when you open the shop at 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, you get margin of 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees you get. And then 11 to 12 you get, let's say, 120 rupees. Okay. Okay. And then 12 to 1 p.m you get margin of, let's say, all benefits uh, is 150 rupees. Okay. And then 1 to 2 is 130 rupees, and 2 to 3 is 140 rupees, and 3 to 4 is, let's say, 200 rupees, and 4 to 5 is, let's say, 1500. Okay. 1500. And 5 to 6 is, let's say, 1800. 6 to 7 is, let's say, 1700. And 7 to 8 is, let's say, it is 1900. And 8 to 9 is, let's say, it is 1600. Okay, this is your day one income. Okay, or profit, you can say. So this is your profit. So if you see, 10 to 11 a.m you earn only 100, or your profit is 100. And 11 to 12 is 120, 12 to 1 is 150, 1 to 2 is 130, 2 to 3 is 140, and so on. Okay, this is your day one profit. Okay, now, and in day two, again you open the shop, of course. Okay. And at 10 a.m to, well, 11 a.m you got profit of, let's say, 150 today. Okay, on day two. And 11 to 12, 130. Okay, or 12 to 1 is, let's say, 200. Okay, 1 to 2 is, 1 to 2 you get profit of, let's say, 150. Okay, 2 to 3 you get 120. Okay, 3 to 4 you get profit of 170. And 4 to 5 you get profit of 1700. And 5 to 6 you get profit of 1800. 6 to 7 you get profit of 2000. And 7 to 8 you get profit of 2100. And 8 to 9 is 1700. Okay, this is day 2 earnings, or day 2 profit of your business. Clear? Okay. 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 Now day 3 came. Okay, day 3 came. Just a minute, let me, just a minute. Yeah. So on day 3, let's say, 10 a.m to 11 a.m you get profit of 170. 11 to 12 you get profit of 210. 12 to 1, 170. 1 to 2, 165. 2 to 3, 150. 3 to 4 you get profit of 180. And 4 to 5 is, you get 1800. 4 to 5 to 6 is 1450. 6 to 7 is 1700. 1700. 7 to 8 is, let's say, it is 1900. And 8 to 9 is, it's 1800. Okay, this is your profit of day 3. Okay, and so on, so on. You It's been day 30. Okay. And and almost almost profit is similar to above 3. Okay, above 3 is data, all data, day 4, day 5, day 5, similar profit you are getting. Okay. Okay, similar profit you are getting. Now now question is that it's been 30 days, and this is your profit from that business, a general store business. Let me write it. It is your general store business, general store shop, you can say. General store shop profit, profit of 30 days, right? Clear? Now it is your data, you can say. It is your information about 30 days per 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 hour. Okay, or you can say per hour profit, you can say, of 30 days. Clear? Is it clear so far? Okay. Now, so after 30 days, let's say let's say uh, let's say you are an intelligent guy. Okay, let's say not dumb guy, because we are learning AI, so you have to be intelligent. And after 30 days, you when you saw this data, then you you thought that, and you realize that that hey, early 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, when you open your shop from 10 a.m. to till 4 p.m. Okay, till 4 p.m. you are getting profit of and only 150 200 around profit. Okay, you are getting. But after 4 to 5 p.m., as you can see, 4 to 5 p.m., you are getting profit of around 1500 1600 per day. Think about that. 4 to 5 you are getting 1500, 5 to 6 you are getting 1800. But before that, before let's say 12 to 1 you are getting only 150. 1 to 2 you are getting 130 rupees only. Okay, and this is not the case of only day one or one day. It is the day of almost every day that you are getting that 10 to 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Your average income is almost 150 or 200, right? As you can see from this data, you are intelligent guy, right? And 4 to 9 p.m. you're earning you around almost 1700 on our basis on our basis. Okay, so it is like 1500. So almost we can say that 10 to 15 8 to 10 times more than this time. Okay, you are getting profit in this time. Okay, 4 to 9 p.m. you are getting high profit. So you can say that simply, as you can see from this data. Clear? Yeah. So you are intelligent guy. You start thinking that, hey bro, I open data 10 a.m. Sorry, I open shop from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and most of the earning coming from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. and rest 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I only getting almost how much we are getting 100 one almost 220 350 350 and then 480 480 and 140 almost 480 480 plus 140 become 620 620 into 200 800. Okay, okay, so on average we are getting 800 rupees from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. But in just 1 hour we are getting 1500, as you can see. And if I add 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. it becomes almost 14 15 15 15, so almost 6000, almost around 6000. Okay, 6000. And just giving 4 to 9 p.m. 5 hours. Okay, you are giving 5 hours and you are earning 6000 rupees. And here you are giving 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. means 6 hours. You are giving 6 hours and you are earning just 800 rupees. It is just one day earning. So it makes you think deeply that why it is happening so. Okay, why it is happening so that 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. my earning is very low, and after 4 to 9 a.m. 9 p.m. earning is high. Because you after after thinking a lot, you found that, hey, on the noon, in the noon, actually there are less number of person comes to your shop. It is not your shop fault. Okay, it is the nature that on the noon nobody wants to go to shop. Okay, in the evening people try to go shop, right? And then you realize that, hey, then how can I utilize this time? Okay, this time which have been vested or which have been vesting, how can we utilize this time? Then after thinking 2 to 3 days, you came up with idea. Okay, again I came up with one idea that, hey, uh, hey, that generally in the noon nobody wants to come at in the shop in noon. Okay, but after, in the evening people try to come shop in the evening. Then you, after 2 to 3 days, you start you realize that, let's open a new shop. Okay, who of juice. Okay, juice shop. Okay, in which lot of the person will come in the noon, okay, and it will give high profit. And what will you do is that you will close this shop from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and and in this time you will open juice shop, okay, and after juice shop or after 4 p.m. you will close the juice shop and open this general store, okay, okay, okay. And after that, after coming up with this idea, again 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 you start you start collecting data, okay, you start collecting data, letting me, yeah, so you start collecting again data, juice from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then general store general store from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m., right? This is this is your idea, and your idea came from that you are not getting a lot profit in the noon time, okay. Then you thought that, hey, what could be the other business in which people try to customer comes in will come to your shop in noon time, and you found that juice shop would be a good option, because people try to drink juice in the noon, okay. So based on this idea you open a juice shop, and again started collecting data. So in day one in day one in day one so in day one, so at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., sorry, 11 a.m., you found that in juice you are getting almost 900 rupees profit, okay. And then 11 a.m. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. you are getting 1100 rupees profit, and then 12 to 1 you are getting again 1200 profit, and 1 to 2 you are getting profit of 800, okay, and 2 to 3 p.m. you are getting profit of 1000, and 3 to 4 you are getting, let's say, you are 1200, and 4 to 5 you are getting profit of let's say 1600, okay. Now just think that this profit is coming from juice shop, this profit is coming from juice shop, and this profit 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, and sorry, 8 to 9, it is coming from general store shop, general store shop, right? General store shop, and it is 5 to 6 you are getting 1700, 6 to 7 you are getting 1800, 7 to 8 you are getting 1700, 8 to 9 you are getting 1600, and similarly you do it for 30 days, okay. And again you are getting almost 800 and 1200, and then sorry, 1200, then 1100, 900, let's say someday you are getting 750 or 1200, and then here 1700, 1600, 1300, 1400, 2000, okay. So this is your data, okay, of 30 days. Same thing, similarly day 30, okay. So similar data you are getting, okay, similar data you are getting. Now if you add, okay, now if you add day one profit, you are getting 1900, 1100, 1200, 800, 1000, 12,000, which is more than previous shop which you used to open general store. Now if you open a juice shop, you are getting profit of in 1000, okay, where you used to get in 100, okay. So this is how you are able to maximize your profit, and now you are more happy than previous, because you are an intelligent guy, right? So in this business, after 2 months, after end of 2 months, You are you are the boss of your business. You are so happy that you are not able to express your happiness. Okay, and this is why you are not able to, why you are so happy, because you very intelligent guy, and you just find some insights. You just found some insights from your data, and from getting insights from data, you took that find insights, meaningful insights into business. Okay, new business, new venture, and now you are earning more than previous. Wow, more than previous. So this is how you are maximizing your profit. And if you wouldn't have, if you didn't open the juice corner or juice shop, you wouldn't be earning much as this profit. Okay, as much this profit. Okay, so that this is the benefit of juice plus general store shop, right? Now this is the example. Okay, now let's go back to data science meaning, because we started with this definition, okay, and we were sticking with this definition, that what is the meaningful information, what is the meaning of business grow. Okay, now I hope you will be able to correlate this definition with this example. Okay, so what is the meaning of, let's again talk about data science definition. So data science definition is that to understand the behavior of data. Okay, so behavior of data means that what? So here you had 30 days data. Okay, and you were intelligent guy, and then you research on this data. Okay, and after researching this data, okay, after researching data, you found some meaningful information. You found that, hey, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'm in loss, I'm not earning too much, and after 4 to 9 I'm earning too high. Why? Because you were intelligent. So this is the meaning of goal of understanding the data, is to find some meaningful insights. This is the meaningful insights you get, that 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. you are not earning too much, but after 4 to 9 p.m. I'm earning too high. This is the meaningful insights from your data. Focus on this point. Meaningful insight. This is the meaningful insight from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'm not earning too much, but for 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. I'm earning too high. This is the meaningful information, meaningful insights, and put that meaningful insights from that data in your business to grow. And you found some that insights, and you realize that, hey, I should open a new shop when more people will come to that shop at noon, because this is the problem of noon. Because in noon, sorry for my bad English, in noon most people don't want to come to the shop or general store, because they think that, hey, in the noon, why we will go. Okay, but in juice but in juice shop, people try to try to come on in the noon. Okay, because juice is used to be drink on the in the noon. This is the reason, this is the meaningful reason you put in your business to grow. Okay, and put that meaningful insights from that data in your business to grow. And after putting that meaningful insights into new business, now you are earning more, you are having more profit. When you add juice business plus general stores of business, now you are earning thousands, 10,000 per day, where are earning only 6 to 7 thousand per day. Now you are earning 10 to 12,000 per day. So here, this is growing your business just by understanding your data and finding some meaningful information. This is the data science. I hope you have got the answer. I hope. Think about that, and you can also come up with your own example. Okay, you can also come up with own example. This is just one example I'm giving you. I hope you got the answer. Okay, I hope you understood the definition of data science. So let me again repeat the definition. Let me again repeat the definition of data science. Data science means to understand the behavior of data. Okay, data science is only about data, only understanding data. And once you understand the data, think about that how much how much profit you can make from that data. That's why data science is very high demand, because it directly impacts the business. In from right now you are earning $1 million per year. If you use data science, you might be earning 10 millions per dollar. Think about it. 10 to 20 million dollar can impact the business from data science, can be impacted the business from data science. Think about that impact of data science. That's why data science is in demand. I hope it is clear to you, right? Okay, let's move to next thing. Yeah. So now the question is that, then is there any difference between AI or data science, or is there difference or some similarities? Can we talk about AI and data science similarities or dissimilarities? Of course. So AI and data science, as I said in the early of this video, that AI is big thing. Okay, AI is big umbrella, and data science is small part. Okay, but in current situation, data science is more valuable than AI. There is also a reason of this thing. Okay, and the reason is that, uh, first of all, discuss about what is similarities, okay, and what is dissimilarities. Okay, so similarity is that both are almost related. Okay, both talks about data. Okay, the similarities is that both talks about data. As you can see, AI in data science, both have both both only works when you have data. That is the biggest common thing between AI and data science. Okay, that it is the common data. And after data, let's say you have data. So in data science, what you do is mostly you use data visualization. Okay, let's say you have data of 30 days, you can plot histogram or many kinds of plots. Okay, and then can come up with more meaningful insights. Okay, and use statistics, use machine learning to 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 find some insights and put that insights into your business. But in case of artificial intelligence, of course you will have data, but you will be you will be not impacting the business directly, but you will be building machines. Okay, machine. You will be building intelligent, you will be building intelligent machine, to be honest. Okay, not of course when you build a intelligent machine, so indirectly you will be launching product of that, and after launching the product, you will be earning. Okay, so indirectly it is also it is also impacting the business, but it is not directly impacting the business as compared to data science. But AI has a lot of potential. Okay, AI can AI is a really, really big thing, right? So so directly data science impact business, to be honest. But in a case of AI, you first build a product. Okay, using AI, like for example, it could be a fan, intelligent fan. So when you build intelligent fan, then you will sell this to market, and when you sell to the market, then you will be able to get profit from your business. So this is not the direct, this is not your direct earning or profit. You have to go through couple of layers, then you will be able to earn money. But once you build a solid profit, it can make you billionaire. That is the power of actual AI, and it is about to come. It has come, but it has not come as at it at its high potential. To be honest, it's a high potential about to come in future. But in data science, it directly impacts the business, as we have seen in this example, that just by data you are able to, just by able to make your to gain high profit, right? This is how data science impacts. That is why data science is more demand. That is why data science has more jobs right now, because big tech companies, okay, they are using own data to to get some meaningful insights, and then put that meaningful insights into their business to grow from 1x to 10x or 20x to 30x. But in case of AI, he has to build first the machine, intelligent machine, then he has to sell to the customers or to the market, and then they will earn. After that, they will earn. There is a that is the problem of AI. Okay, we have to first build the product, but in case of data science, just understand the data and use that data into meaningful insights and start earning, and then just change some plan and then start earning. You don't need to go to a couple of layers in data science. That's why data science is more demand. But in future, AI, as I said, that AI is a big thing. Okay, data science is just part of that AI, to be honest, right? And to be honest, AI is really big thing. Right now, of course, right now data science is high demand as compared to AI. But in in coming years, of course, AI can beat any field, any domain, man. That is the final conclusion I just want to give. And and practice wise, both are almost similar. As I said that both are highly dependent on data. Okay, and and we will be always playing with data. So whatever things we are learning, even in data science or AI, okay, all things are will be used interchangeably. Okay, all things, all concepts will be used in whether in AI or data science. Okay, almost all are will be related to each other. That's why sometimes you refer to data science equivalent to AI, or AI to equivalent to data science. But to be honest, AI and data science is totally different game. Okay, totally different. Right now it is similar, but in future it will be changed, to be honest. But let's not focus on the word. Okay, but just understand that AI and data science is almost related. Whatever things we will be learning in AI, we have to learn in data science as well. Okay, it is almost related, almost, just saying. Okay, that is the thing of that is the AI and data science. I hope it is clear to you what is AI and what is data science. Okay, so in the last, let me revise it again. So what was the AI? AI means, simply means, making any machines, intelligent is AI. Any machines, and many machines which is made by human. Okay, making any machines intelligent so that it can behave automatically. Okay, it can behave automatically, and we don't want to interact with that machine to 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 uh, to 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 do any to want that machine to do anything. Okay, that is the AI. And data science is what? Understanding data and finding some insight, meaningful insights, and putting that insights into your business to grow. That is data science. And all are, and both terms, both concepts are heavily based on data. That's why it is related. AI and data science is related. And data is the big thing. That's why people say data is a new wire, because all things are dependent on data. And think about how much data can impact a business. That is the game of data. I hope it is clear to you. And here I'm closing this video, and I hope you have understood the concept of AI and data science. And in next video, we'll be directly jumping to learn Python, and our journey will start then. Thank you.